Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a current backup so files stay safe. This is not optional. Once done, free up at least 20% of disk space and close large apps. This reduces installation failures and speeds the process. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and on a reliable Wi-Fi network, then open Settings Update and Security Windows Update. Check the current build number so you can verify the final version after installation. You click Check for updates and let Windows detect the latest feature update. Download it now if available. While downloading, review optional driver updates and postpone non-essential items to avoid conflicts. Once the feature package finishes, click Install and expect several automatic restarts. This is normal. Make sure to save work and sign back in after each restart. If installation stalls, open Windows Update Troubleshooter. It can reset components. You finish by verifying the installed build in Settings System About, and then run Windows Update once more to fetch cumulative fixes. Once complete, reinstall any apps you removed and update drivers via Device Manager to fix hardware quirks. If you encounter a boot loop or a persistent install error, use Recovery Advanced options to access System Restore or Startup Repair. These tools undo problematic changes without wiping data. If problems persist, note the error code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.